guys, welcome to Easy Teasy Gardening. I'm your gardener friend Ruchi, and today we are going to sow some cauliflower seeds. So cauliflower is a winter vegetable, and so I'm going to sow it here. So you need a planter in which there is lot of organic matter, and it should get lot of sun. Then only these cauliflowers will grow nicely. So I'm going to just take some seeds and scatter them in here. Now these are a little old seeds, so I'm putting more seeds than you would normally do in this big a container, but I'm not sure how many of these will germinate, so I'm putting more, and if many of them germinate, then we'll just remove a few of them. And now I'm just going to cover it up with a little soil. And water it. So the soil underneath is already damp, so I'm just going to water it a little bit. And I'm just going to cover it at night so that the planter stays warm, and in the daytime whatever sunlight it collects, um, that will still stay inside the planter, and I'll report back how the germination is happening. So our cauliflower saplings, few of them have grown, but they're not that strong. I don't know why. So I have to think about it, what to do for them, but they're not growing as per expectation. And they don't look that healthy either. So our cauliflower plants have been growing well. Um, and I see that all the plants have, now true leaves, so they are ready for transplantation. So, the first two leaves are the seed leaves, and then the true leaves come, which are the leaves that you will see in a mature plant. So all of them have true leaves, so they are ready for the transplantation. So I'm going to take them out and transplant them in a different location. So uh, you have to remember, a few things you have to remember, that when you are doing the transplant, always do it in the evening if you're doing it outside, because then uh, the plant doesn't go through the harsh sun, just after the transplantation. And also acclimatize your plant. They should be near your destination so that they are able to bear the sun or the shade or whatever is the condition of the destination plant. So I'm going to just pick these up and go to the destination planter. So here is the big planter in which I'm going to plant these cauliflowers. So you have to just make sure, so it has a lot of compost, because that's what most of the vegetables and fruit plants like. So a lot of compost. And cauliflowers, like they're a cold weather plant, so the temperature should be around 60 degrees. Oh, there's a worm here. That's fine, worms are good for soil. um, the temperature, the plants should get lot of sun, uh, and cauliflowers also like lot of water, so you have to make sure that the soil stays moist. And they are a cold weather plants, but they like full sun, so you have to plant them somewhere where they get lot of sun, but just make sure that it's not too hot, because then they will bolt, and they'll fall, they'll form those small button-like cauliflowers, uh, which you don't want. So uh, then so maybe as the weather starts to warm up, I'm going to do mulching so that the temperature is maintained. So this one looks a little weak, so I'm going to just plant another one close to it. Okay. And once the plants kind of settle down, I'm going to do mulching so that the soil temperature is maintained, and uh, temperature also maintained, and also it retains the moisture. So I'm going to water it a little bit, and then I'll report back as they start to gain strength. So I have planted more saplings there because I wasn't sure whether they will all survive or not, and I haven't done mulching yet because the weather is still pretty cold. So I'm not too worried about the temperature being high. So after the transplant, the cauliflowers are doing slightly better, but they're not thriving. So it's been about 3 months that we planted, sowed the seeds of cauliflower, and then almost after 8 weeks, we transplanted them, and now they are growing really, really well. You can tell, by the size of the leaves, and the way they are getting tall. They are like, some of them are 8 to 10 inches tall. Some of them are still 3 4 inches tall, but most of them have now big leaves, and they are really tall and strong. So you can tell that they are doing well. So that's good news. So now we are going to just wait for them to form cauliflowers, and I'll make another video in which I'll cover that. So for now, that's about it. For cauliflowers, they are a winter season plant, but they need a lot of sun, lot of water, lot of compost, and then they'll just grow, and they'll form cauliflowers. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.